No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will start with Inception because it is a well-known movie with strong year, rating, genre, actor, and director information for calibration. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the drop-down result with enter and clicking the guess button as required. Type card is green. Guess title is Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red, meaning farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow direction is obscured by the open dropdown. Rating is red, meaning farther than 0.5 from Inception's rating, but the arrow direction is obscured. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi show no green overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie, not in those displayed genres, not featuring those listed actors or director, and year and rating are both far from Inception. Type card is green, so the last guess Inception was a movie and target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 with the down arrow, so the target is lower than 8.8. No overlap is visible for action, adventure, sci-fi, Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, or Christopher Nolan. I will guess La La Land to test a newer non-action movie with lower rating and musical drama romance overlaps. Type card is green. The submitted guess appears to be Lawrence of Arabia, which is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red and points up, meaning the target is farther than 2 years newer than 1962. Rating is yellow and points down, meaning the target is within 0.5 but lower than Lawrence of Arabia's rating. Genre overlaps are biography and drama green, while adventure is gray. Actors Peter O'Toole, Alec Guinness, and Anthony Quinn show no overlap, and director David Lean shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a movie, newer than 1964 and also newer than Inception's 2010 from prior feedback. Rating is below 8.3, but near it, includes biography and drama, and excludes adventure plus the listed Lawrence cast and director. Type card is green, so the latest guess was a movie and target median equals movie. Year is green at 2013, so the target is a 2013 movie. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.3. Biography and drama overlap, adventure does not, and the Lawrence actors and David Lean do not overlap. 12 Years a Slave fits 2013 movie, biography and drama, non-adventure, and rating just below 8.3. Type card is green. The guest title was 12 Years a Slave, which is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is green, so the target is also 2013. Rating is green, so the target rating is 8.1. Genre overlaps are biography and drama green, while history is gray and not on target. Actors Chiwetel Ejiofor, Michael Kenneth Williams, and Michael Fassbender show no overlap, and director Steve McQueen shows no overlap. Constraints. Target is a 2013 movie rated 8.1, includes biography and drama, excludes history, and does not include those listed actors or director. Type card is green, so the latest guess 12 Years a Slave was a movie and target median equals movie. Year is same at 2013 and rating is same at 8.1. Biography and drama overlap, while history and the shown 12 Years a Slave actors and director do not. Prior feedback also excludes adventure, action, and sci-fi. I will try Bob Milk Bob because it is a 2013 biographical drama rated around 8.1 without history or the excluded cast. Type card is green, so the latest submitted guess 12 Years a Slave was a movie and target medium equals movie. Year is green at 2013 and rating is green at 8.1 with biography and drama overlapping while history does not. The listed 12 Years a Slave actors and Steve McQueen do not overlap and prior feedback excludes adventure, action, sci-fi, and the earlier listed actors and directors. I will guess Rush because it is a 2013 biographical drama rated around 8.1 and avoids the confirmed non-overlaps. Nice, the answer was Rush and I got it in 4 guesses. The key clues were locking in a 2013 movie rated 8.1, then narrowing the genre path to biography and drama with sport as the missing fit.